European Data Protection Board's recommendations on controller-binding corporate rules. On 20 June 2023, the European Data Protection Board, EDPB, adopted Recommendations 1/2022 concerning the approval of controller-binding corporate rules, BCRC, under Article 47 of the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. This set of recommendations aims to assist controllers within corporate groups in navigating the complex landscape of data transfers outside the European Economic Area, EEA, ensuring compliance with the GDPR while maintaining the free flow of personal data within multinational companies. Background and evolution. Binding corporate rules, BCR, have long been recognized as a mechanism for ensuring adequate protection for personal data transferred within a corporate group to countries outside the EEA. The EDPB's recent recommendations build upon previous guidelines issued by the Article 29 Working Party, refining and expanding the framework to align with the GDPR's requirements. Key aspects of the recommendations. Application process. The EDPB outlines a detailed application process for BCRC approval, emphasizing the necessity for applicants to demonstrate a clear and enforceable commitment to GDPR principles across their global operations. Elements and principles. Essential elements and principles to be included in BCRC are detailed, such as the binding nature of the rules on all group entities, data protection safeguards, rights of data subjects, and mechanisms for legal enforcement. Binding nature. A crucial requirement is the internal and external binding nature of BCRC, ensuring that all group members, including employees, are legally obligated to comply with the established data protection standards. Data protection safeguards. The recommendations emphasize the need for comprehensive data protection safeguards, including principles of transparency, data minimization, and data subjects' rights, closely mirroring the GDPR's provisions. Accountability and compliance. Groups are required to establish mechanisms for accountability and compliance, including regular audits, a dedicated data protection officer, DPO, network, and procedures for handling data breaches and government access requests. Legal and regulatory considerations. The EDPB advises on navigating the complex interplay between BCRC, local laws in third countries, and the GDPR, particularly concerning government access to data. Practical implications and challenges. Implementing BCRC as per the EDPB's recommendations poses significant practical challenges for multinational corporations. These include the administrative burden of drafting comprehensive rules that meet the EDPB's criteria, establishing robust internal compliance mechanisms, and navigating the legal complexities of international data transfers. Moreover, the dynamic nature of international data privacy regulations necessitates continuous monitoring and adaptation of BCRC to ensure ongoing compliance. Conclusion. The EDPB's recommendations on controller-binding corporate rules represent a pivotal step towards harmonizing data protection practices for international transfers within corporate groups. By adhering to these guidelines, companies can not only ensure compliance with the GDPR but also demonstrate a strong commitment to the protection of personal data globally. Nevertheless, the successful implementation of BCRC demands a concerted effort from all stakeholders within a corporate group, including legal, compliance, and data protection teams, to navigate the complexities of international data privacy laws and the GDPR's stringent requirements.